Jersey number 3, Ron and the jersey number 3, will be the ball. Number 7, Ryan jersey number 2. 6 pass to jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 30, jersey number 2, open rebound by jersey number 60. 60 pass to jersey number 4, or 3 points, no good, rebound, same ball. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 4, 3 points, back to back 3 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 7, jersey number 4. Jersey number 7, jersey number 8. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 2. Foul jersey number 9, pushing foul. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, ball 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, dribbling ball pass to jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9 to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 9. Easy tokens by jersey number 9. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 13, to jersey number 3. 7, back to jersey number 3. Rebound by jersey number 60. Pass to jersey number 3. 3 points. Score 11-0. Jersey break pass to jersey number 7. Minus 1, goal line pass to jersey number 8. Back to jersey number 7. One to defense. Pass to jersey number 8. Use fouls. Foul jersey number 9. Pushing foul. Jersey number 9 making 2 fouls. Jersey break jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 13 to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Leaving the ball. Pass to jersey number 8. Back to jersey number 7. Okay. Ball by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 9. Okay. The ball by jersey number 60. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 17. Hold on. 2 points. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. To jersey number 3. 1 movement. Jersey number 4. 1 break. 3 points. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. To jersey number Jersey number 7, goal to no good, rebound by jersey number 3.
Dapat walo ni kadula ro.
2 points by jersey number 3.
Partner ko pag kumana ko.
Score 15-0. Jersey number 3. Mike James.
Kasi makita na kita.
James. Out of bounds. Dribbling the ball. Now, dribbling. Making a play. Pass to Drake. Drake back to Hawk. Hawk. No good. The Hawk relaxing the ball pass to Ashton. Ashton ball of 3. No good. Out of bounds. Score 15-0. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 3. No good, rebound by jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, jersey number 4. One steal by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Still moving. Rebound by Hawk. Pass to Drake. Great pass to jersey number 7 to jersey number 9. Good rebound by jersey number 9. Who's ballers? Ball jersey number 7. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 17. 17 dribbling the ball. Rubella, yes, 2 points. Jersey number 8. Yes, they got the first 2 points by jersey number 8. Scores goal 270. Great dribbling the ball pass to jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 17. Jersey number 9. Ball of 3. No good rebound by jersey number 7. 7-0. One point coming on. Who's ballers? Ball jersey number 9. Pushing foul. 1 point through by jersey number 7. Ball jersey number 2, holding foul.
Wala si Kobe, di ba? Ha? Nakatulog yun. Nakatulog yun.
Drake, ball 3, over ball jersey number 9. 9. Who's ballers? Ball jersey number 3, pushing foul. 2 free throw by jersey number 9. One point by jersey number 9. Second throw to Derek Johnson. Another one by jersey number 9. Jersey number 3. 3 with the ball. And it's open pass jersey number 7. Short. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pass to Mr. Hunt to jersey number 9. Number 9 to jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 3. Wall 2, no good, ball by jersey number 8. Steal by jersey number 9. Now pass to jersey number 3. Woo! Jersey number 9. No good, the ball by jersey number 17. Score 21 against 4. Lead by. Nice kick out by jersey number 8, number 2. Rebound by jersey number 17 to Mr. Hunt. Mr. Hunt relaxing the ball. Hunt making a play. For 3 points. 3 points.
Come on, Jared, keep the shot, bro.
Jersey number 7 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 dribbling the ball. Make a play back to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 3. No good rebound by Mr. Hunt. Blue ball. Time remaining last 10 minutes. Remaining time for the first half. Jersey number 3, the blue ball. One up, passing ball by jersey number Jersey number 3, nice block by jersey number 2. Jersey number 7, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 7, what a side step. Over rebound by Mr. Hunt. Mr. Hunt, what an easy 2 points by Mr. Hunt. Mr. MVP. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 8. Timeout 1. Score 26 against 4. Blue team.
Make it quick, ref.
Jersey number 9 got 3 fouls.
If you don't see blood, don't call it. We're used to do that.
Time for the timeout. New ball. Jersey number 3 dribbling the ball. Pass to Mr. 3. Break to Mr. Hunt. Pass to jersey number 3. One eye move by jersey number 3, 2 points. Jersey number 6, Mr. Hunt. Ustad ngayon tumera. Respondents all jersey number 2, pushing forward. Up next, jersey number 9. 2 points by jersey number 9. James dribbling the ball past the jersey number 8. Jersey number 9 again. No good. Jersey number 9. Pass to Mr. Hunt. Jersey number 8, the ball. Louis, 3 points. No good. Rebound by Mr. Hunt. Pass to jersey number 3, Mr. Ashton. Ball, jersey number 2, pushing pump. He got 2 pumps. Two points. Jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. 17 pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 17 pass to Mr. Drake. Drake back to jersey number 17. 75 years opponent. Mr. Hunt. Oh, one leg shot by Mr. Hunt. Pass to Mr. Drake. Long 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. James. James to jersey number 8. 1 left. And layup by jersey number 8. Jersey number 9. Easy 2 points. Time remaining on last 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time for the first half. Jersey number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to James. James, 3 points. Pass to jersey number 9. What an easy 2 points again by jersey number 9. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. What steal. What an easy 2 points again by jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 2. No good. Jersey number 3, pass to Mr. Drake. Open 3 points. 3 points. Timeout. Score 43. Yes, 6. Timeout 1. Jersey Drake, pass to Jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Pass to Mr. Drake to jersey number 17. Long 3. No good. The ball by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 leaving the ball. Rush by Mr. Pass to jersey number 2 to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, pass to Mr. Drake. Open 3, step back. No good, rebound by jersey number 17. No good, rebound by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Attacking by against jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. What a defense play, Mr. Hunt. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 9. 2 points. Jersey number 3, what a defense by jersey number 9 out of bounds. Time remaining last 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for the first half. Jersey number 7. What a nice feed back to jersey number 7. Pull up 3 points. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Left hand layup. 2 points. And no good. Jersey number 3, one easy layup by jersey number 3. Score 47 against 1. 1 team lead. Jersey number 7, Wolf jumper, no good. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 17, dribbling the ball. Relaxing the ball pass to jersey number 9, ball up 3 points. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 8. What an easy 2 points by jersey number 3. Time remaining last 50 seconds remaining time for the first one. Jersey number 9 relaxing the ball. Jersey number 9. Last 12 seconds. No good. And for the first round, red ball. We'll see that's why red ball.
I got my other phone, so we'll see. iPhone is a better.
Jersey number 3, ball 3. It is a pass. Jersey is there. How to Wrestler win? Max win. Drake, lock 3 points. What a nice make. Response small jersey number 3. Leg and contact of hands. Wait, hold on.
They're tight.
Guys, relax, guys, relax.
Don't forget to reset the time too.
That's it. Only 55. Wait, by jersey number 8. Rebound by Mr. Drake. Drake will the ball pass to jersey number 3. Ashton will the ball back to jersey number 4. 3 points. Back to back 3 by jersey number 4. Mr. Drake. Jersey number 8, 3 points. What a nice steal by jersey number 7. jersey number 60. Steal by Mr. Drake. Mr. Drake by jersey number 3. Half one behind. Back pass. 3 points again. Now it's short. Out of bounds. Jersey number 3. What a heck move. Rebound by jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. 2 points by jersey number 17. Score 60 against 17. What a rebound. Rebound by jersey number 7. 2 points by jersey number 7. 5 remaining. Last 17 minutes.
No more juice.
2 points by jersey number 3. Jersey number 7 still by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Ooh! 2 points by jersey number 8.
I'm gonna put the zoom on this one.
Well, this one is elimination round right now.
Oh, no, like final.
By jersey number 3.
I'm gonna put a zoom
So you can see.
closer. Yeah, he owed a zoom by himself. Yeah.
Like that, you know, like
Noted.
Yeah, keep doing it.
Prepare for the rebound.
Zoom in. Closer.
like real production.
Oh, the anchor is now here.
Minutes and he's in. Working.
1 point. Here we go. Taking a play. Yes, no good. Rebound with jersey number 7. No good. Rebound with jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 2 back to jersey number 8. Jersey number 3 ball, 3 points. 3 points. It's not over yet.
Hey, you guys need to go timeout so he can play.
Woo! Who's jersey number 31? Dragon ball at half, Stu free throw by jersey number 9.
Second shot, second shot.
Jersey by jersey number 9. Substitutions. We try for the rebound. 1 point. Jersey number 7 will be won. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. 3 for jersey number 9. Out of bounds, single. 5 remaining, last 38 minutes. 10 seconds remaining on for the second half. Relaxing ball. Great pass to jersey number 3. That was down 50. Well pass to jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 7. Steal by jersey number 3 to jersey number 7. Pinasa sa labas. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 9. To Hawk to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Nice game by jersey number 4. One steal by Mr. Great. Jersey number 9. Wala. Rebounds by jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. 3 points. There's still Jersey number 4, grabs by jersey. Boss jersey number 17. Jersey number 4, water goes over. Kobe moves, 2 points. Long pass 3, no good. Ooh, 2 points. Jersey number 3, Mr. Ashton. This guy is taking the ball. Jersey number 7, 3 points. Rebound. It's a blue ball. Jersey number 70. There's a basket foul, jersey number 8, pushing foul. Ball is through by jersey number 17, prepared for the rebound. Pensa, oh pensa, Dio tanto. Jersey number 8, saan ka punta? Ano naman? Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, here we go. Long bound, 3 points. 3 points. Jersey number 8, 2 points. Jersey number 4, ready got 23 points. Half the ball. Half. No rebound by jersey number 2. Pass jersey number 7 to jersey number 4. Hold up 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2 to jersey number 4 again. 1 pass. Steal by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 4. No good. Long back, 3 points, short. Long. Jersey number 3, long 3. No good. We're going by jersey number 8, jersey number 8. Umatake, go Merecho. Out of bounds. Para sa'yo, kailangan ito. Jersey number 3. Time remaining last 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for second half and final quarter. What a steal by jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 4. 2 points by jersey number 7. Alright, see the ball. No good. Jersey number 7. Last 6 and 14. Jersey number 7, ball 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. What a pass. 2 points by jersey number 7. Final red.
Stop, BJ.
What a steal. Whose ball is fouled by jersey number 7. 11 contact hands. Jersey the ball. What a black pass. Shot down to 50. Mr. James no coming. What a pass. Foul jersey number 2. Holding on. Jersey number 9, 2 points. Jersey number 4, 3 points. Jersey number 3, 3 points. Three points. Long one. Another 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4. What a pass by jersey number 4. 2 points by jersey number 7. Time remaining last 3 minutes and 30 seconds for the final quarter. 2 points by Mr. Hunt. What a defense by jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 3. What a defense by Mr. Hunt, pass to jersey number 9. Steal by jersey number 4. One trying over. Rebound by jersey number 8. One minute. Boston jersey number 3. Woo! 3 points! What first time shot by jersey number 3. Ooh! 2 points, jersey number 4. Now,